welcome to 100 Proof Emma. It's officially fall here in Los Angeles, which means it's time for hot cocktails. One of my very favorite hot cocktails is called a Hot Toddy. It's only got 4 ingredients. It's made with raw honey, a little bit of lemon juice, some really hot water, and of course, all-American whiskey. Personally, I'm using Michter's whiskey today. It's made out of my hometown of Louisville, Kentucky, which is where I was born. I'm gonna top it off with a cinnamon stick for garnish. Try it out, let me know what you think. It always helps me whenever I'm a little cold or if I'm feeling a little bad in my throat, and I think it will help you too. So, enjoy. Okay, so today I'm gonna be putting in a half a cup of really hot water that I've went ahead and boiled in the microwave. And then I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces of Michter's whiskey. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm gonna put in a dollop of lavender honey. I'm just kinda gonna wiggle it around and let it evaporate, or I guess emulsify, I should say, into the drink. And I'm gonna top it off with a cinnamon stick. Okay, let's try it out. And that's Hot Toddy. Yep, experiencing some warmth from the whiskey. The citrus notes really nice, especially if I have a sore throat. I probably would put even a little more of the honey. That's just me. It's great by the campfire, great for a cold night. Keep me warm. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Cheers. Yep, I like it.